Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna have this video here just for you. Here you go. That's my last bike ride video, and it's fitting that I'm no longer a soldier, and I'm gonna take you to a real nice place that is a memorial for soldiers who fought way back at the Independence War and saving, guarding the Negev. Have a good ride, and hope you like it.
Good morning, everyone. It's 8 Celsius outside, which is like 45 probably Fahrenheit. Real feel is even lower than that. It says it's going to be a shower, but skies are clear, so I decided to do one last urban bike ride, which is also my last day in the military, not at work. So I decided I'm going to do like a 20-kilometer run around town, clear my mind, then go and say goodbye and wrap things up, as they say. And I'm done wrapping stuff up. It's time to go home. Hope you enjoy the ride with me. As you may have seen in the previous videos we posted, this is a heritage roundabout of the McDonnell F4 Phantom, served in the Israeli Air Force. So one out of very many planes that retire, they end up putting it here. And they retired those planes quite a while back. I can't say this enough, but one of my favorite things here are the bike lanes. These bike lanes actually allow you to have a workout without being scared for your life and not disturbing everyone else's peace. Here's another heritage roundabout, a different airplane. And up the hill we go. Yuck. That one sucks. See, we even have tanks. Well, I made it to the entrance of town about 30 minutes later. Now it's time to head back. But I might also have a sit down and talk if I can find a nice, quiet, peaceful place around this urban madness. Let's see about it. I never realized there's a way all the way up there. Here. Well, it's more interesting than the road, so let's try to take that. Yeah, and there's a memorial all the way up there if you can see it. Let's see about it. Don't let all this green fool you. It's certainly a desert. And we just had rain showers the past 4 weeks. Showers that lasted 2 to 3 hours a day. Yeah, it's a nice hill to go up. And it's getting quieter farther away from the course. Starting to feel like a mountain goat. Probably not very visible in here, but this is one hell of a hill. Oh. And the gate to the memorial's closed. Oh, nice. Real nice. This is going to be a good climb. All right, I'm going to begin the ascent. And it is worth mentioning that this memorial is for the -4 of the IDF fighting off Arab and Egyptian forces in the Independence War between 1947 and 1949. And over 300 combatants were killed trying to defend, and well, actually successfully defending the city and what was then kind of like the border around here. This memorial was first opened in 1968. So yeah, these are maps of how it used to be. You can see Egypt is on our left, the west side, and you can see every place that they fought into. It's etched into the floor and painted over. And these are different like battle scenes or battles, and it tells you all about it and different operations too. That's interesting. I don't know how to get here in here. Wow. This is telling you about all the different people who fell in the war, defending the Negev. And it has all of their names, not all the combatants, but everyone died defending. So on the floor they have this water. I guess they have a sprinkler or something, not only for rain, and then it drops in here and fills all this up. But the echo in here is crazy. I'm not even speaking loud, and that's really cool. So I like that a lot. Hey! Comment if you can. Share the videos. It's good for you. Yeah, the difference in echoes is marginable. The water comes through here, and it goes all the way down to where I pointed earlier. So, because they did defend water lines that were very important. So this is a very special place. GoPro, stop recording. Well, it's time to descend, and hopefully there's an opening through the back here. Don't want to have that on my wheels. Thank you very much. Okay. And that's all it takes to get out, or in. Not very good. And back to Urbanville.
The last day of work. What can I say? My military career reached its peak this year when I was offered to be the youngest weapons chief in the Israeli Air Force. The trust I gained from my management, combined with friendly co-workers which operate as a family, making our work environment so much nicer and better. So much so that you wake up happy to go to work, and top that off with the best commander or boss that I could wish for, and you get a recipe for success. It's something that cannot be explained in words, that you want to wake up and go to work. And it's not just work, it's waking up and serving your country every single day. Today marks the end of my military career and 10 years of service. I'm not unhappy, but a little sad. Not unsatisfied, but I still have the want for more. Still not done. This being said, I am complete with my choice of lane in this work. I am happy with my decision. This last bike ride is something I'll look back on for the rest of my life. It somehow sums up my time in Israel. Try to see it for yourself in the vlog, and maybe you can recognize some things I've been through that I think get shown here. Thanks to all the people in my work environment, the transition was made really easy for me, and I'm still going to keep in touch with everyone, from the youngest mandatory soldier through the enlisted, my commanders, and management. I have the chance to keep in touch with everyone, and I will. I went out about 3 or 4 times in the past 2 weeks with the friends from work, and that just shows you that these are not just acquaintances or people from work. They are really true friends that, without telling me, they're telling me that they're probably just as sad as I am. This said, I could not have done it without them, and I'll always remember that too. I put my family before my country, something I constantly get told to be proud of, and I am. This new beginning means the world to me, getting to reinvent myself with and for my loved ones, my family. Now it's time to take this new beginning, a new chance, and make the very best of it. And I hope you guys can follow us and continue the journey with us in America. So thanks for watching. I hope you can comment by now, and if not, definitely share the video and help us get ahead. Thanks. Good morning, day 3 for Operation Move. Girly.
Spaghetti and spaghetti sauce.
Lunch. So I'm done doing all my stuff in town, bank, etc. Change our address. Professional packing, so I don't need to do anything at all.